Mobile World Congress, the world's largest connectivity conference, brought over 100,000 people to Barcelona. Inside the Fira Gran Via, booths showcase action-packed demos, everything from robots to live video streaming. And the most surprising thing of all, the network didn't drop once.
You just can't run a show like this without, one, connecting it, and two, doing it intelligently and being able to prioritize those traffic flows.
The technology powered by Cisco is everywhere, from Wi-Fi access points in the ceiling.
See, there's an AP, and you see those two gray antennas?
Yeah.
They're the ones that are shining the RF straight down.
To fiber and switches running underground.
And that's where cabling goes.
All of it managed from here. Fira Gran Via's Network Operations Center, hidden far beyond the bright lights of the show floor. Inside, a team of IT experts keep constant watch, monitoring every device and application.
In case of any problem with the internet pipes, all the traffic is redirected to the other pipe. In case of any problem with the power, we have double chassis, double power, double link.
You can view Mobile World Congress as a test site for what will soon go mainstream. Now, imagine what happens when AI moves into its next phase.
There'll be agentic workflows, there'll be agents that are going to be able to be fully autonomous, conducting tasks. There'll be not one agent, but multiple agents.
It's a whole new world, and networks will need to mirror the kind built inside Fira Gran Via. And that puts telecoms in the hot seat. They own the highways of the internet with the power to place AI closer to the edge. But the real question, are they ready?
The market in that AI infrastructure space is moving so quickly that most of them are hesitant to make large investments, buy large numbers of GPUs, push them out towards the edge, and wait for these services to come.
Hesitation is understandable. For years, telcos have struggled with mounting challenges, from fierce competition with hyperscalers and cloud providers to the high cost of maintaining legacy networks while rolling out 5G. To stay profitable, they need new revenue streams, and experts say AI could be the answer.
And so the timing of some of the move of AI into consumers and enterprises, I think could be that killer application for service providers to really finally see the value out of the 5G networks they built.
So how can telcos stand out in this AI world? Well, it goes far beyond connectivity.
Service providers can no longer differentiate just upon the speed that they're offering to their consumers. They have to differentiate based upon the experience.
Network traffic has already surged thanks to streaming and collaboration tools, and as we've seen during major entertainment events, the network doesn't always hold up. Now imagine what happens when everyone has a humanoid AI assistant. This feature demands deep visibility into the network because when disruptions happen, pinpointing the cause isn't always easy.
The service providers don't own the end applications that they're accessing. So how do you assure it? How do you deliver on that promise of a great outcome? Well, that's what ThousandEyes comes in. What ThousandEyes has always been known for is providing the visibility that matters to our customers so that they can see, understand, and improve every connected experience. For service providers, what that means is now we can be able to deploy vantage points into the home that allow them to be able to measure that experience to those critical applications, ultimately allow them to differentiate based upon the overall customer experience and not just the speed.
For service providers, this is a defining moment.
If I were to say, what are the big challenges for the companies that are going to be good? They don't have quite the right infrastructure in place.
From simplifying the infrastructure to make it plug and play.
Number two is safety and security is a huge issue.
To adding a layer of security, service providers have the opportunity to build a network that becomes the backbone of the AI era.
And so as we move from training to inference and actually using AI, the ability to take networks, connect all of the data and the customers together and connect them securely is squarely in Cisco's wheelhouse.
So clearly, as we learned today, a lot of challenges facing the telecom market, but a lot of solutions on the way too. So stay tuned and you'll stay connected. Till next time, I'm Diana Blass.